2 years of 6407. How could you understand the 91606 better than all your friends?
Now I've taken a shower and this is the dress that I'm wearing today, just for like day, and then at night I'll change. Now it's time for Diwali skincare. So this is what I'm going to use today. This video is not sponsored. Whenever there's like occasion, I use this Rus Luxury products. Now this is the polish up, so it's like a face wash that I use. And after that I use this. This is like a gulab jal face toner. It refreshes your face and like kind of hydrates it. Now the next step is usually this. Any kind of like cream which has like hydrating properties would work for this. Like this is the purest form of aloe vera gel. I also have like aloe vera trees all over my house, so like I could use that also, but at this point I had this cream already, so that's why I did not go to the aloe vera trees. I used way too much. Okay, you can also mix this with like other recipes that you have with which require like aloe vera gel. These two things. So this is the under eye cream and this is the serum. Just a little bit and simply like rub it under your eyes very gently, because this is the most gentle area of your skin. After this I also have to like After this I also have to go to Delhi, so I'll probably have to pack all my stuff and then go to Delhi. Serum looks like, I really like the packaging, by the way. It's not sponsored in any way. I still love them, so I've been using them ever since. This is what my skin looks like after the skincare routine, whatever. So these are like not pimples, but these are mosquito bites. Look at my skin shining. So I decided to curl my sister's hair because she asked for it, and these are the tools that I'm using. This is the curling one along with this serum. So I first put the serum onto her hair, and this is a time lapse of basically me curling her hair. It does take a lot of time because she has got very long hair and I'm not a pro in this. I just do whatever I see online, and yeah. So these are what the hair looks like. Curled them for my sister. A little bit straight from the founder area because her hair is very long, but I think I did a pretty good job.
A few hours later.
ये वाली ज़्यादा बेकार है यार. हाँ. So in Diwali it is also like a tradition to make rangolis. Now rangolis are these like beautiful art pieces that you make with like chalk powder and like holy colors on the floor. So there is like beautiful and very colorful too. So here's the rangoli that we made and also decorated it with some flowers. It looks so beautiful. So now it was time to actually get ready, so I just like washed my face with some water, and after that I put this like lip serum onto my lips and I just like combed my hair. Didn't do much, but after that I decided maybe I should like get a little bit more ready. So I got this like LA Girl Pro Concealer. No, it's a color corrector, and I just like rubbed it onto my face. It looks so bad because I did not know how to do any makeup, so I somehow just blended it out with the beauty blender, and then I just like wet the blender a bit because I've seen it in life hacks, and that definitely did help blend it a little better. And once I did that, I just like got some concealer out. It was way too much, as you can see by my face expressions, so I just like put it on all over my face, but my face just like turned white, and it also got onto my eyelashes and it would not get out of it like that. So I just like blended it out even more to see if it is working. So I blended the rest of the face out. You can see I'm just like trying to get it off, but it isn't budging at all. So I'm just rubbing the rest of it onto my face and blending it out so that I don't look like a white ghost. So yeah, I'm just doing that over here, and later I washed out my eyelash. It would still not go away because it was waterproof concealer, but I somehow still managed to. And after that I used this like white under eyeliner. I think that's what it's called. It's a kajal, basically white in color, but it later irritated my eyes. so I got rid of it as well. And also I use this like tinted blush because this is what like it's trendy, and this is the one thing that like I think I can do pretty well. So here I am just like blending this out as much as I can and then reapplying it. In reality it was much darker than that, but the camera actually wasn't catching it up as well. So yeah, and lately I just like use this ittar. It's basically like a perfume, so roll on perfume, and I just use that, rubbed it onto my neck and also onto my wrists. And lastly I use this eyeliner, which was like a total failure. I could not get one wing right, and I just like removed that along with the kajal because it was irritating my eyes so much. And yeah, I just like went on. Actually got this dress from Amazon. I showed it in my study vlog before, so I'll link it in the description box below. You can go and check it out. And I thought it was very pretty. It was a little bit loose for me because I'm very skinny, but I also like bought this belt. I think I got it from Delhi. It gets Sarojini, I really don't remember, but yeah. And this is what my house and decorations, everything looked like. It was so pretty. Diwali festival is always full of lights. As you all can see, this is Diwali, how it is celebrated. Like there are so many lights, and you can also hear so many like patakas, which are firecrackers. Basically its Hindi word is pataka. So I don't want to burn firecrackers because I don't know, I think it just like pollutes the environment, but my brother definitely will. He has brought so many firecrackers, so he'll definitely burn some of them, but not me. I don't like it anymore. So guys, now I'm all ready as you saw. After this it's time for the Diwali puja. This is my sister Vinny. For us Hindus, it is linked with the ancient legend of Lord Ram, who was deprived of his kingdom and sent into exile for 14 years. Now Diwali is celebrated because Ram eventually defeated the evil spirit Ravan, and this triumph returned to his home. So it was celebrated with lights, and that is why Diwali is also called the festival of lights. And in this festival we pray to goddess and gods, and we also celebrate it with firecrackers, sweets, exchanging clothes, meeting our relatives. It's a festival of fun and joy. Here I am just doing the aarti. Now what is aarti? It's basically like a prayerful ceremony which is performed in front of the gods and goddesses to thank them and be grateful of what we already have. Basically wave light lamps before the gods and we pray. Now puja is done. It's time to eat mithai, which is sweets. It's like a tradition in Diwali to eat sweets and wear new clothes. So yeah, some people also like to give gifts to other people. That's something we do too. Guys, now the puja is done and pretty much all I had to do for Diwali. Some relatives might come and visit, otherwise we don't have much plans. So I'm just sitting in my grandmom's room. You can probably hear all the firecrackers. Oh my god. So guys, as you all saw, that was a big epic fail, and I'm you can probably hear all the fireworks too. We'll want another one. Big failures of burning the lantern. Still waiting. No! Bye. There is a lantern now. So guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you all like it and got to learn about how Diwali is actually celebrated in India. This is not like very typical Diwali, like a lot of people in different cultures celebrate it differently. Like even Indians, India is so big, so it's celebrated differently everywhere. But that's how we do it in North India and Uttar Pradesh. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification for more videos. Follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi and on Twitter at samraddhi07. Also don't forget to check out my studies channel, which is called Sam Study Station, and its new website too. I am so excited to launch it, samstudystation.com. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.